Morning, students. How are you all today? Okay, very good. Okay, today we are going to study about very interesting topic. Okay, before this, let me share my screen with you. Wait a minute. Okay, students. Okay, it's visible now. Okay, so first, students, tell me why can you catch a cold but you can't catch a heart condition? What is the invisible traveler that moves from person to person? So today we will learn to distinguish between diseases. Okay, understood? Diseases, two types of diseases there are: communicable diseases and non-communicable diseases. Okay, so let's start. Okay, first, disease. What is disease? Disease is a condition when our body does not work properly. Examples: fever, cold, weaknesses. Okay, students. Okay, so if we are not healthy, then we got diseases. Okay, so let's avoid it. Try to avoid it. Now, types of diseases. There are two main types of diseases as you see in the picture: communicable diseases, non communicable diseases. Communicable diseases are caused by parasites, fungi, bacteria, viruses, and non communicable diseases are transmitted through air and other mechanisms. Okay, now communicable diseases. Let's elaborate it. Okay, communicable diseases spread from one person to another, caused by germs, bacteria, virus, fungi, or parasites. Modes of transmission: direct, indirect, vectors. Direct, through touching, kissing, or droplets from sneezing or coughing. Indirect, contaminated water, food, or surfaces. Surfaces like door handles. When we are touching door handles, we get bacterias. Okay, and vectors: insects like mosquitoes, malaria causes, or ticks. Okay. Okay, let's come to the next slides. How do they spread? They spread through air, water and food, touching, mosquito, as you see in the picture, infected person and potential host person. Means if we breathe, we are taking some viruses in the form of germs, parasites, and consume it, and then through droplets then we get unhealthy, means we caught diseases. We can caught diseases. Okay, up some of the examples of communicable diseases: common cold, tuberculosis, cholera, malaria. Next slide is prevention of communicable diseases. How we can prevent from the communicable diseases? Through washing our hands daily, drink clean water, vaccinated to get vaccinated, clean surroundings, hand washing tips: wet hands with running water, apply soap or liquid soap, rub your hands together for at least 20 seconds, wash all areas including the back on your hands and between fingers, rinse hands, make sure you remove all the soap, dry your hands thoroughly with a paper towel. This is the last step. So we have to follow these steps for washing hands. Next is non-communicable disease. We can also call it NCDs in the short form. NCDs are non-infectious, cannot be passed from one person to another. They are often chronic, long-lasting diseases. It causes, what are its causes, students? Its causes through genetics. Okay, genetics. Through genetics, we have an example of non-communicable diseases: diabetes, heart disease, asthma, cancer. Okay, so what are its causes? Its causes through genetics. How genetics it cause? Inherited from parents. Example: type 1 diabetes. Lifestyle: through our lifestyle we have a poor diet, lack of exercise, smoking. Example: heart diseases, obesity, when we are eating junk foods, not eating healthy food. However, junk foods are always attractive, always calorie, but we should eat only healthy food. Got it, students? Yes. No exercise causes are non-communicable diseases, stress, and heredity, through our parents, grandparents. We are getting these diseases through generation to generation. Okay. So here is the picture of junk food and healthy food. Okay. So we should avoid eating junk foods. A- If we are not avoiding it, then we are unhealthy. So we have to eat always healthy food. Okay, students? Okay, understood? Okay. Prevention. How we can prevent from these diseases? Healthy food, exercise, good sleep, less junk food. As we follow healthy habits for our long life, waking up early in the morning, brush teething even two times, day or night, before sleeping, shower daily, eat a healthy breakfast, drink a lot of water, exercise, reading, limit screen use. We have not used mobile. And if we are using it anyhow, we have to limit our screen time and regular checkup and consult with your doctor. We have regular checkup, monthly wise or quarterly. Okay. Be kind to your family. If you are healthy, then you can take care of your family as well. Very good way. Okay. Okay. So you should follow these healthy habits. Okay. Now, what is the next? Communicable versus non communicable. So today we learn about communicable and non communicable. I think you clearly explain what is the difference, exact difference. So communicable is spread from one to another through germs, viruses, bacteria, and non communicable no spread. Okay, it is genetics or through lifestyles. So examples are there: Ebola, HIV, COVID 19. As we are going through, we had going through in the COVID 19. So to get how we save our life from through get vaccinated. Okay, so we have to follow these steps to get healthy life. Follow healthy style life. Okay, now summary. So let's come to the summary. So diseases affect our body. So student, health is defined as the state of physical and mental well-being. So we can say ill health can be caused by both communicable and non-communicable diseases. Okay. Four main types, 80% of all deaths. So four main types of diseases are cardiovascular diseases, cancer, chronic diseases, or diabetes. So, prevention is better than cure. Some spread, diseases are spreading, some are not. Healthy habits keep us safe and healthy. So, what is the saying is prevention is always better than cure. Just as small germs caused big diseases, small daily habits of hygiene like hand washing protect the entire community. So we should take care of that. Okay, students? Okay, now it's recap time. So we understood what is disease. Okay, okay. What is disease? Name one communicable diseases. Yes, malaria, COVID 19, flu, TB. Name any one healthy habits. Sleep timely, sleep regularly, proper sleep, eating healthy foods. Yes, these are the healthy habits. Okay, now quiz time, student. It's very easy. Easy questions you can answer easily. Malaria spreads through mosquitoes. Diabetes in which type? Diabetes in NCDs types. Okay, one way to stay healthy? Yes, not eating junk food. Eat always healthy food, homemade foods. Yes, good students. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you, students. I hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you.